Sarap maglakad sa tubig. Good morning guys! Welcome back to my vlog guys. For ang vlogger here. Andito kami ngayon sa Venice Beach. Naglalakad kami. Pasyal today. Today is Monday, February 7. So, let's go get some fresh air and let's go see the water. The water is so calm today guys. Super linaw today ang tubig. Pretty nice. Welcome in Venice Beach, California. Walang masyadong tao ngayon guys. Walang masyadong tourists ngayon dito sa Venice Beach. I take off my shoes kasi full of sand. See, barfoted ako. Sarap maglakad-lakad dito sa buhangin. Yes. And Santa Monica, it's over there, malayo. So we're not gonna go in Santa Monica, just dito lang around Venice area. Yeah, this is what's happening here in Venice. Nothing much happening here kasi walang masyadong tourist. Good morning guys! Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Venice Beach. Ayan yung shoes ko. I take off my shoes kasi it's full of sand. Kaya maglakad-lakad tayo ngayon dito guys sa Santa Monica. Not Santa Monica. Venice and Venice Beach guys. Ayan. Sarap dito maglakad ngayon guys kasi hindi masyadong mainit. But the breeze, the cold, it's blowing air, cold air, pero hindi masyadong malamig. Yeah, I'm just wearing my light sweater. I can smell the ocean. Did you hear that? I smell the oceans. I smell the seashells. So may mga tao dito hang out, stand back to me. It's nice to be here on the beach guys. So sana nag-enjoy kayo. Ipapasyal ko na lang kayo dito guys. Yes, kung na-miss nyo na ang lugar sa probinsya, and right here, I take you here at the beach here in Venice Beach. Yes, very nice. So tara, maglakad pa tayo ng konti. Kumusta na kayo mga friends? Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng aking video dito sa Venice Beach. Let's go check the water. Oh, it's nice. Sawa ko dito na. Ginagawa yung shoes. Alright guys, let's go touch the water. Iyon muna natin yung shoes dyan. Let's go touch the water. Maraming naglalakad dito. Oh, I don't want to touch the water because it's gonna get wet and then full of sand, my shoes. Welcome to Venice Beach. Yes. Woohoo! Sarap dito mamasyal guys. Punta na kayo dito sa Venice Beach. Ayan. How's the water? Cold? Nice one's there. Cold. Ayan. Sarap maglakad sa tubig. Oh, here it comes. I'm getting wet. Nabasa ang pants ko. Ang daming tahong dito guys. A lot of mussels. Look at this, guys. It's so big. Oh, shells. Tahong. Napakalaki ng tahong. Ang daming tahong pala dito. Ocean. Mussels. It's nice to walk on the beach. Beautiful day. I can smell the ocean. Yeah, the water. Oh, smell like ocean. Smell like seashells. Look at this, guys. White sand. Oh! Grabe, guys. Sarap maglakad dito. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa beach sa California, sa Venice Beach. Thank you guys so much for your support. Sana gustuhan niyo ang video na ko. At huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, guys, sa aking channel. At don't forget to like the video, hit the bell notification para maging updated kayo sa mga bago kong upload. Thank you guys so much. Hanggang dito na lang ang aking video. Share ko lang sa inyo ang mga kaganapan dito ngayon sa Venice Beach. Yan. Gusto na namin maglakad dito para mag-enjoy sa tabing dagat. You know, it's been a while na hindi kami nakapunta dito. So it's good to be back. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now. God bless. Take care. See you in the next vlog. Bye everyone.